Hi, very good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Sacred Sunday. This is Rob from The Drunken Grape, and we're going back to our theme of local. Now, being partially locked down again, at least here in Canada, and the bars being closed in any major city in Ontario, it's very imperative that we support the local economy. And by doing that, you can order some terrific alcoholic beverages from local producers. Now, today we're talking about mead and Saint Patrice Millerie, which is a meadery located near Quebec City. Now, this is truly unique. It is a very cool product. Mead, of course, being the oldest alcoholic beverage known, predates even beer and wine. From fermented honey and water, various ancient societies would add herbs to it. Later on, they would add hops, but this was documented and well reported from about 7,000 BCE on in ancient societies like China, India, the ancient Greeks. It was an excellent alcoholic beverage option for the day and still continues to do so. Now, Saint Patrice has come out with an awesome product. This is Ragnarok, which is the end of the world and the destruction of the gods, where the earth is plunged underwater in Norse mythology, only to be reborn and more fertile than ever. This is a terrific product. Now, this is aged in whiskey cask, so it has some of those characteristics. Now, with mead, it's definitely going to be on the sweet side. You definitely get that honey note. With this, you also get dried fruit. I found that there was dates and figs in here, little hints of nuttiness, perhaps the whiskey influence. Now, this is a unique product. This is limited edition. It's hard to get a hold of because it sells out, but they do have many fabulous other products. And we'll get into a couple of those in a couple of later discussions and video. This one retails for $41.99, and I would suggest you pre-order now, as the next batch will come out in March. It's very, very difficult to get a hold of. Now, Saint Patrice has an excellent online ordering system. Anything $100 or over before tax, shipping is free. They will ship directly to the door. Now, as I mentioned, this is a great whiskey substitute. It's great on its own. You can drop a couple cubes in it. I personally would not add anything else to it. It's meant to be sipped. It is simply excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Also, make sure to subscribe to this channel, the YouTube channel, The Drunken Grape. And when you do, make sure to hit the notification bell at the top of the page. We always have some really fun, exciting discussion topics. Also some podcasts, talking with masters of wine, masters of beer, those fighting for the restaurant and small business industry as well, as AI in the workplace now can influence restaurants. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, whatever you decide to do, have a sensational Sunday. This is Rob from The Drunken Grape.